Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough tour of our 2015 Mercedes-Benz A180 CDI Sport Edition we have new in stock. I'm just going to run through the specification of this car, just pointing out some of the main standout features on the vehicle. To begin with, on the exterior, you do have the metallic black paintwork, which is an optional feature on the car. The vehicle does also come with the Sport Design silver painted alloy wheels, the unique sport exterior body styling with the Mercedes chrome badge on the front, the chrome exhaust pipe finishers, and also a full leather interior upholstery. You get a leather trimmed steering wheel, access to cruise control on the left hand side here. The vehicle does come with climate control accessible from the centre console area, heated front seats as well for both your front passengers, and a central display screen where you can access features such as your Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation, and also the reversing camera as well. Lastly, you can also see you've got plenty of boot space available in the rear. If you'd like to know any more information about this car, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.